Hi, I'm Dawn Delisle, and I work with PB Lives Here's team. Hi, welcome to Casa Cara Cara. This is a unique duplex nestled in the jungle just above Old Town. We call it Alta Vista. We are in the lower unit of Casa Cara Cara. Please come in. As you can see, we're in this unique modern living room with very high ceilings. And follow me, we're about to go into the new kitchen. Everything is brand new. Bedroom. It's a very comfortable size, again with the high ceilings, and it fits really nicely a king-size bed. We are now on the upper level of the duplex nestled in the jungle. I'd like to point out this incredible bamboo rain shower. It is far beyond anyone's expectations. I'd like to show it to you. Door of Casa Cara Cara, first unit of the duplex nestled in Alta Vista, just over top of Romantica Zone.